Why are we waiting? There's nothing to wait for. Microphone check. Yeah, let's start. Let's get started. This is left. Camera seems to work. Microphone up. Sorry for moving it. But yeah, wallpaper. I've got a few wallpapers this time. So, Freedom Forge Studios. Wow. Yeah, anyway, we've got some work to do. Probably want this a little bit quieter, but I don't know. Okay, yeah, there are a few problems with the current design. First of all, I want to cover mutability. So if we go into libres, for example, so here we have symbols, which is an iterator over symbol. Yeah, sure. This symbol is. Oh wait, I need to wait. I need to wait for it to load. For it to load. So yeah, this symbol is just an RW lock, a reference to RW lock, so it's fine. But if we take a look at expression, for example, which I've added, yeah. Actually, let me go to libres first. Yeah, expression. We can see that it's an immutable reference. We might want it to be a mutable reference, and I've got a solution. I've got an interesting solution. Ability. Let's create a new module. So let's create a trait, mutability, which is gonna have type ref and then type mute. Wait, no, just ref. I don't know what else. Let's make it public. No. Basic. I don't know. I don't even know how to call it. Let's just create an implementation for it first. So there's gonna be struct, mutable, and then immutable, or actually mute, or im. That's it. Now I'm gonna. So immutable first. I'm gonna implement mutability for im with a type ref. Well, actually, this should be type ref of t. Can I do this? I can do this. In fact, that's cool. Is reference t. So we're gonna also add lifetime, and then also gonna set it to not be forced to be sized. Wow, I did not expect it to work that well. Maybe the approach is gonna break soon. It may not live long enough. T parameter type may not live long enough, so that the reference does not outlive the date it points to. And I mean, what's the problem? Okay, let's set static lifetime here. Static. Okay, that's better. But what if I change it to A? That's better now. It's mutable. Let's create mutable. Oh, by the way, forgot to do one thing, which is very important. Hold on. Remind me to rebuild my system after the stream. This camera lags sometimes. Can you change something? Okay. Latency seems pretty good. High in Phoenix 7, by the way. 1.36 360 total. Congrats. 55%. Hold on. Camera back. Camera, come on. This is pipe wire. Probably a pipe wire here, because this is using pipe wire and still before L2. Video for Linux 2. So, yeah, get back to this. Now we have mutable and mutable. That represents and immutable version mutable version it's I don't know how to describe the trait. A simple reference. Now if I go to expression, well, hold on, first of all I need to use mutability. Let's just use everything, and then here I'm gonna do expression, not only item A but M mutability. Now I'm gonna do I think it shouldn't complain about this, because I don't want to worry about phantom data if I use this. Yay, it works, it seems to work. No way. Can I do this, by the way? Said. No, I don't want this. Which is need dimple here. Okay, now go from T. Oh my god, come on. Ref, which is display. To set probably st ref tz target equals t. Now it should, oops, it should probably work. As massive 15 exists for reference. M is mutability, ref, but it's street models fight. Dynamic block. I don't know how to fix it. Hold on. Okay, come on, camera. Latency. Okay, so how are we gonna fix it? I have no idea. I actually don't know. Block. Borrowed ref of block. I could ref it here. On type ref, I could ref it twice. So borrow the double T reference. Okay, that's better. Now it also derives it. Clone, copy. By the way, this should be plus copy. Well, actually no. Wait, what? You didn't complain? Oh, because this is not mutable reference. Now it does complain. So I don't need copy here. A clone copy should depend on the M to be clone. Well, I mean, they are both. Well, actually, if I go to mutability, so I want to derive clone copy for immutable, and only for immutable, because immutable references can be copied. I don't know if this works, honestly, but I hope it does. So if we go to symbol now, function has expression, im, now I'm gonna do body mute. Well, actually, also I forgot I wanted to do im by default. So this is cool, right? You have to say this is cool. You have to agree with me. So this is mutable version of function body. So put the backticks here. Okay, now I guess I need to go to the thing itself, to the C frontend symbol box. Also expressions block should also be. Hold on. Yeah, here I have expressions and then expressions mute. Mutable version of, or version of block expressions that yields mutable references. Now I'm gonna go to... I actually need to make it mutable. Display for block. Now I wanna go to function, back function, and function body returns. Okay, it shows a mutable reference. Now we need to go to front end. It has some problems now. Yeah, I've got expression and statement here, but I didn't get much further than the block, so I should probably add a check here. Well, actually, I mean, I have parser. Do I really need parser if I should probably check Oracle itself? Statement, symbol. Function not implement. Yeah, here. High smooth dagger. Yeah, that's compiler development. You see this expression of mutable generics insane. Something. Type mismatch resolving this to be block. Expected reference. And oh my god, come on, no. Why doesn't it work? Block. Mutable reference self body. No. What parser? What parses the parser? Another parser? That's also written in this language, which by the way is here. I can say basically this parser is based on the parser that parses this parser. But yeah. Mismatch. Okay, I don't know what to do with this. Expected reference with static lifetime. Okay, lifetimes in raster hard. Why did you expect a reference with static lifetime? There's no lifetimes. There's no static lifetimes. I mean, I'm doing actually pretty good because I have something interesting. I'm doing something interesting. I've started a new project, which I'm... Wow, that's not the one I expected. It's basically an organization I'm part of, if I can say. Anyway, so yeah, I started a project which I'm hopefully gonna show on Twitch at some point. Treat objects must give dynamic keyboard. It's not a treat object, come on. Lifetime A. Why is it saying lifetime static? Expected this fonts. So the body is just a block. It's a type. Why is static expected? It's not static. Can I see the error? That's why missing doesn't matter. Expected borrowed of dynamic block font, borrowed of block. Difference of block. Oh wow. Yeah, sure. Gonna be fixing that. Expected reference, borrow of dynamic block static font. Huh. S underscore. Wow. I did not expect this to fix so easily. No, this doesn't work. Oh. Oh, yeah, makes sense. I need to make it mutable. By the way, house. Chat renewing. Wounds out of range. Yeah. What's that? SSL. SSL crashed. Okay. Body mute. Should probably return take a mutable reference to self now. S underscore. This is Rust. S is a cast, so you have like. How do you show you? Rust.lang.org. You have. It's a cool language, you should probably try to learn it. You have this 42, so this is an integer. Now you can print it. X. Rustaceans always wanna promote their language. So yeah, this is X. Now if I do X as F32, this is basically a cast. So this X right now is an integer, 32-bit integer. Here I'm casting it to a floating point, which for some reason outputs not a floating point. I don't know why. If I put 0.1, I can cast to an integer. This should work for sure. Of course it does. Now, S underscore is magic. It casts to whatever. Compiler chooses what to cast it, this to. That's basically it. I'll close this point. By the way, just as a reminder, we've got 10 days left. var is just creating a variable. We've got 10 days left for this goal. I don't know if you can get it. Let the language do the work. Yeah, Rust basically does all the work for you. You don't need to code. You just need to write some text and it's gonna work. So yeah, you've got 10 days left. I don't think you can get it in 10 days. Because a single person only does this. 2k per stream. But still, if you want plushes to get weapons, then you know what to do. What do you want? What did I want? Oh my god. What did I want to check here? Body? I mean, I'm gonna be checking body when it actually gets full. So we have this. We have expression. Wait, statement. Block. Here as oracle. Yeah, no. I'm gonna do that instead. I'm not gonna do vectors. That's too bad, too annoying. Just immediate reference, whatever. Oh my god, do I have to duplicate this function to be as mutable? Or can I do mutability or co-expression m? Pretty insane. Ref. If this works, I'm gonna be surprised. Ref found for M in current scope. Oh wait, I need to import this. Okay, let me import it somewhere here. Use Orco mutability and im. Don't ask me. Im and mute. Unused imports, yeah, sure. They're gonna get used soon-ish. Don't need to do Oracle then. Now, why are you angry at me? Shade item ref found for parameter m in current scope. Shaded item. Probably need to look at redux. Docs lang.org. Needs std. No, I need sref or something. I need a way to create the reference. Sref t. Sref and as mute. Don't know. Sref u for t and mute t. So I have t. I have tref. Okay, I actually don't know. That's fine. I need this only when it's generic, so I need to somehow create a reference. I can convert a mutable reference to it. Wait, I can't have this as generic. No. This doesn't work like that. Well, actually, it might, but no, this trait is not in. This concept actually won't work. I need this to be mute, and so I have to duplicate it. Circumute. Yeah. Should probably get some helper macros for that. No, I can just say here mutable reference. Well, actually, don't even need to say anything. I'm probably gonna automate this if I can. It's much. Yeah. More as underscores are gonna fix the situation, obviously. Now let's quickly automate this. I can probably do something like mute or make mute. Let's go here. Let's go to macro. So I have here debug display. Let's also make mute. Copy this, paste it here. Make mute. Don't care about the other. So this should be function. Hey, function or method. I don't know. Hi Nigel, finally. Okay, let me just show you what we've done during the stream. We've added mutability. So expression is an enum of references. Now it takes a generic parameter, which specifies if this reference is mutable or not, by this small thingy. And now I'm fighting this, writing a proc macro to generate mutable versions of methods, and I don't actually know how to impl. So there is be fn. In 2 hours. Okay, that's probably no. I don't think I'm gonna get that much. Item of fan should be it. I don't think I'm gonna stream for that much. Well, actually, how long will we? We are into streaming 30 minutes for 30 minutes at this point. I don't think I'm gonna be alive in 2 hours. Who knows? No, I wanna do let mute version, or let's do AST2. Rust is fun enough to use for 2 hours, but streaming is harder. Cause if you didn't know, when I end the stream I still keep using Rust. I still keep writing this code, still keep working on it. And it never ends. When I wake up I do this, then I start a stream at some point. Then I end the stream and still keep working on it. Can I clone it? It would be useful. Wow, I can clone it. This is so useful. AST2. Debug. That's no. We're gonna have AST and AST2 here. Now, let's. So, what's the difference? We've added mute here. Added this. And then also we added this. And also we changed the name. st2 sig. Okay, let me see. So signature is const async and safe ABI. What is ABI? I actually wonder. Some T. Oh, it's an option. What's ABI? Extern CO. Makes sense. Fn ident, so that's what I need. Ident and then output. Why is it called output, not return type? Ident equals. Can I do this? Underscore mute. Est sig ident. Expected ident phone string into. I don't know. It's not gonna work this way. Oops. Ident scene ident new. There's new. Oh wait, it takes span. Oh my god. I mean, I can do this and then st sig ident span. That's cheating. I'm parsing C, obviously. What language can... Oh, wow. Ads are running. I didn't even notice. What language is 52 years old? C. C is 52 years old. And doesn't matter that I'm writing parser in Rust. I'm parsing C for my compiler. So what did I need to do also? I needed to change self to mutable. AST2 sig args signature inputs. Obviously it's inputs. Fn arg. Oh, okay, maybe it's not this. Fn arg can be self. Oh, receiver. Okay, let me do assert 2. I mean, I could, but probably no. There are few, but I'm going to only write parsers for popular. I mean, sorry. If I'm writing my first parser for a real language, not my language, I'm probably gonna choose C. Anyway, inputs. Iter mute next unwrap. Let I don't know sin fn arg receiver arg equals this, else panic. Now arg, which is what? Mutable reference to receiver, exactly. What is it? Borrow, then mute, mutability. I need to make it mutable. Mutability equals sum. Where do I get it? I have no idea. Scene token mute. Can I? Fn. Wow. Arg span. Can I get the span differently? Okay, sure. I'm gonna do use spend. I'm messing up those spans. Scene. Span. Funny is the funny that pretty much the whole Rust is in the whole Rust parser, the whole Rust language is here in this one single file. That's quite a few lines long. 3,500. The whole syntax is basically here. Okay, so mutability. I'm making it mutable now. Last thing I need is arc out. Wait, no. est2 output. Wait, sig out put return type. Now this is specifically return type. I need the type. Let's underscore rt return type scene wait t type rt equals this mutable reference to it, else panic. Don't ask me. This macro is weird. It's bad. Unused variable rt. So rt is a type. Rt mutable box of type. Now I don't know what to do here. Well, actually, yeah, Rust is not in a single file. I lied. Tuple verbatim, trait object, slice, array, bare function. Type group. Parent, path, pointer. Path, that's what I need. So I assume it's, oh my god, I assume it's path. Let's scene type path equals rt else panic. Also make it mutable. Box type mutable dereference. Use twice maybe. Okay, that's better. Now path is what? It's a type path. Makes sense, right? Now, how do I use this? What is this? Q self path. So I have passes and segments. What are generics, huh? Option of Q self. Punctuated pass segment, arguments, angle break. Oh my god. Yeah, we've got a long way. Pass dot segments, last mute, unwrap. So I could do first mute here instead. Right, first mute. Yes, I could. Okay, that's pretty insane. Last mute. Now what is this? This is of arguments. I'm gonna set them to angle bracketed. Whatever. Scene path arguments angle bracketed. Now, how do I get angle bracketed path argument? Oh my god, I need all of this. So I do none, somehow get those tokens, and I need somehow to create a punctuated. Oh my god. Can you format? Refill it later. Structure. High formatting. Oh, semicolon. Makes sense. Now here I can set this to none. LT. I need to get LT. Scene token. Yes. Let's do a seg. Let's seg equals this. Main. No, I need seg dot span. Here now I need GT as well. Same thing. Constructing this manually is hold on, why am I even worried if I can probably do quote something like this. Parse. Let me parse this somehow. It's in parse to expect this phone unwrap. Whatever. I don't even care at this point. It should work. If I remove this, it should work. Internal proc map LSP restart. So restart our LSP and see what happened. Expected parameter name found colon. What do you mean? Expected parameter name. I wish I could inline it or something. Like actually inline it basically. Expected parameter name found colon. Expected one of this found colon. It's probably okay if I comment this out. The server's gonna right. It means generation is wrong. Okay, what if I remove this keep argumentability and the name? I miss the ability of inlining it. I mean, it was never there. Well, I thought it was, but seems like it wasn't. First mute. Args IST tools inputs. I don't know. I actually don't know. Okay, let's remove mutability. Let's remove this part. Now it works. So I'm taking the first argument, its receiver, and I'm inserting mute into it. So basically what I'm doing is this. Interesting. What if I make a mutable version and instead... demute. I'll name it to demute. It looks weird. I don't like it. Sorry. It would be easier, but still no. So this thing is span. Okay, what if I comment this out and bring this last part in? Does it cause any errors? Primitive cast as mute. Yeah, because self. I need this, but this doesn't work for some reason. Expect parameter name font colon. What do you mean colon? How can there be a colon? Scene parse to quote mute unwrap. Oops. Bing. Can I do this? Wow, I can do this. And this doesn't work, obviously. No. Well, I don't know why. Panic with AST2 with like that. Sig inputs. So you can see it at least. Two tokens stream. Maybe it is token stream. Use quote two tokens. No, this should show the error. Message ref self. That's it. Now if I put an arg in here, arg, this should still be, yeah, borrowed self. Now if I insert mute into it, mute self colon self for some reason, huh? How? I literally said this to Sam and it for some reason colon token appeared. And why? Okay, what if I do arg ty? Borrowed self. Now if I take this and put it here, borrowed self. Okay, If I remove the arg can take it away. Okay, bring back the panic. It's gonna it's gonna say something weird now. Reference and capital self. Ha! What? Okay, what? Can I just do asterisk arg, the whole argument, set it, and forget it? Equals quote mute self. Scene parse to unwrap. Should work now. Yeah, LSP restart is needed. LSP restart. Ooh, it's not needed actually. I don't know, maybe. Okay, now it seems to work. Okay, if I go to org front and the sure. The use item. Okay, I'm gonna remove it. No, Orco I actually didn't show this, but here I'm printing. I mean, this tiny crate is basically entry point. Temporarily is this. Current test should actually run. Oh, it doesn't run. It doesn't compile. Okay, I'm gonna fix it. But this tiny crate, it just parses an arbitrary C file. Same as like empty main again, and prints it as a dynamic unit. So it prints it in Orcu basically. So diagnostics block needs sorry, expression not an iterator. Yeah, we don't. Oh, makes sense. I don't need flat map. Here, say map. I'll also add this same thing, but circumute here. Statement as mutable. Yeah, I need iter mute here, and also mute here. But it's against it, so I need to fix it here. I need makes sense, you know. Now does compile? Yeah, it compiles. Now I can do cargo run package or CLI. It's gonna print function main without arguments. What? Why? And no function. Yeah, I'm not printing arguments. I don't have arguments yet anymore. But we have an empty body. Now, once we get return 0 or return arbitrary number, we're gonna go and take crane lift and build this thing, finally. Get the executable. But first we need to actually implement returns. So here I have block, return for example. What's this? Now add a custom keyword, another keyword, return. Yeah, I was waiting for. I mean, does this work? we'll see. KW return. It's literally. I mean, this is possible. I don't know if it's gonna work though. Sorry. No. Return and then expression. Expression. It's work right now. Film a child. Oh wow. What? Okay, this doesn't work, huh? Film a charms doesn't work. That's weird. So yeah, I don't need this. Yeah, we'll need Orcus expression for that. Let's first try to parse it. So we have expression. Expression. Expression can be integer literal. Right now, I mean, this is not C lecture, but this is Rust lecture. But we're gonna tackle it at some point. So yeah, also I'm gonna remove this. For now, expression can be only integer literal. And then this block return expression empty. Okay, now statement. Where's block? This block. Brace many statement. Yeah, actually, I do need semicolon. How do I get semicolon? Semi. Is this what I need? Yes, it is. I mean, I can. I'm gonna put an import here. Cause useful expression semi. There's an empty semi. I'm gonna remove this. This is because I can't really put a semicolon. I mean, I can put a semicolon after block, but it's unnecessary. Just variable expression. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna try parsing it now. It should parse actually. Return 0. This should parse. Cargo next test run. Cargo next test run. And yeah, I have void between parentheses because I don't have yet arguments at all. Expected semicolon, what? Symbols caused by function definition 0 caused by block statement empty caused by expected semicolon. There's no empty. There are no empty statements. Return. Oh no. So if I put r hash return, is it gonna work? Oh no. Okay, so this didn't work. Custom keyword. This macro, I mean. Does it have any other variants? Parse for custom keyword. Ident. I can't take those names. There's like custom keywords macro, custom key, like for multiple keywords. Let me see. Parcel docs. Keep it live. Custom ident, Custom keyword and custom punctuation. Oh, there's custom punctuation. It's cool. Usage scene. Parcel custom. Okay, let me actually try. Cell custom punctuation. What happens if I do? What happens if I do it? I do it like that. I don't think it's gonna work. Well, phone types implements. Oh my god, what? Do we have this? It works, huh? Okay, semicolon. Or I'll just semi. Okay, no colon. Semicolon. No, I do need custom keyword. Would actually use Rust's return. But I mean, can I somehow? There's also keyword. Define keywords. That's a macro. Mod kw ident name ident. So this is what you do. Kw keyword. Mod kw. So I have return to be return int to be an int. What else? Void. Qualify as parcel. Now I can't have docs. Oh wait, I don't have to have docs. Actually, I forgot. Okay, now kw return. So I kind of want independence from this, but you know, yeah, let me. Okay, let's close this. Let's see where else. Well, actually, I could do this. Void. An error. Void int now. Yeah, as you can see, args are just parenthesized void. Actually, I could do parenthesized non off. I'm gonna keep void here, which is actually a valid syntax, by the way. It parses. Now let's run package. So we need a few more interfaces. Hold on. Actually, librs. So here we have this librs. This one. Here we have this. Let's also check main body and when is one. Block. Oh, it's 0. Oops. 0. Okay, I think this should be no. I'm gonna check that. Is there first? There's first. Now, first is what? Maybe what? It's gonna be statement. Let assert. Again. Statement. So I need return underscore expert underscore. Actually, I could name it RV for return value. Let assert. Oh wait, I need let here. Now I need to expected option of a statement. Obviously some. Obviously some. Now I want RV, which is an expression, to be integer RV equals RV expression found expression. Wait, Bing. RV now is what? Int value. I'm gonna assert or actually check. This is not 1, it's actually 0. Wait. And also I'm gonna return 42 instead. Now let's do cargo next test run and alt S pass. Now let's actually create an interface for expressions, for more expressions. So here we have block. I need control flow return. That's what I'm gonna need. Do I have control flow? Oh, wow, I still have this from like old prototype. Really old prototype. I can copy C return. Return. Dynamic return. Same thing, and then also I'm gonna copy paste this. Say return. Expression. Now return. This has expression and then expression mute. I'm gonna have mute self returns mutable expression. No, simple return. That's not something that's gonna be, or maybe it is gonna be, maybe it is gonna exist, but not yet. Return a value from a function. Get the value. What did I say? Let me go to function, copy this version of return expression. It returns mutable returns. That's funny. No. I have some random display for it. Some random implementation of display for it. Missing documentation for a module. Control flow. Constructs that affect control flow, like return, break, turn. This is gonna be a broken reference right now, etc. Sorry, again, yeah. Now, conditionals not included. Okay, now, oops. statement mode, return expression. I need I can't really leave this, honestly. I need to put a return here. Public mode control flow. Public use control flow return. It's gonna be a struct. Module. Superstar. A struct return. KW return this, yeah. Expression. OP semi. Returns defined here. No, as return. Am I still live? I don't really feel it. By the way, wallpaper changed. So let's return. Let me derive something here. Yeah, I need to derive a lot of stuff here actually. All of this, in fact. Now, return. I have return. It's private. It's not private. Not anymore. Okay. Now let's return. Expression. Now I'm gonna go implement return for it, or core return. Well, expression return for return. I don't have that yet. See to do. Yeah, I do need this as Orco. So if right now if we do cargo run, wait, I need libres. I need to fix different libres. No, expression. This actually should be public, all public, always public. If I look at this block, it's also public. Game. Mode of expression which behind shared reference because expression has type expression. Oh, reference. Sure. Now, if we can run tests, it should work. But if we run cargo, if we run this, and also if I actually change the sample, bring back this, it's gonna parse, but it's not gonna. It's gonna. Yeah, it's gonna say not implemented yet. Expression. So here, yeah, here we need also constant, which integer literal. We'll use constant integer literal. Yeah, I mean, I should probably create constant as a num, to be honest. And say constant constant of m. That's how it's gonna be. I'm gonna literally take all of this, copy it, put in here, put this, and name it constant, literal, literals, yeah, should also rename it to literal. Literal. Okay, let's do self literal, literal, just a literal. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it. Also lifetime A here. Now let's fix this. It should be literal. Myself, I'm gonna remove all of this. Okay, now let's do integer. What was it? mref ref a left ma dynamic inter literal. This works pretty well. Surprising. Now I'm gonna copy this. A literal, name it literal. Most of them exists for it. Yeah, me actually. Why is it str? I have no idea. U128. Cause up to 128. Now I'm gonna impl cdfmt display for borrow dynamic integer literal, which is simple, right? Not line. Self value. Now I'm going to see literal. Clone is not satisfied. Oh, clone copy. Yeah, I need to do clone copy on it. Well, actually, yeah, hold on, I have clone copy. What do you mean? Inbound ref clone is not satisfied. For expression is clonable. I mean, I'll probably have to remove this bound at some point because expression is gonna start containing symbols which you can't. Well, actually, no, you can clone symbol definitions though. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna keep this though. Well, I mean, that's just references. You should still have this. Street copy can't be implemented in this type. I don't get it. Why? The straight bound ref clone is not satisfied. The clone is not implemented for M. Okay, compiler maybe here. I can see there more clearly. This does not implement copy. That's this implements copy. mref implements copy. Okay, we start to get problems with this. Im. Now, im has clone and copy, and this is literally brute t, which has copy. Huh. No, I don't know how to fix it. I mean, here it has copy if m has copy, if mref has copy. Come on. Like, I don't know what m is. What if I do im? I'm not gonna do this. Sorry. If I do mute. Okay, so it doesn't see it. Huh, I don't know. I don't know how to fix it. Because I want it to be copyable if it's immutable. Interesting is that clone works. Oh, come on. Or does it? No, it doesn't. Impl clone for expression here. Of im. How could I put a default implementation here? Yeah, let's actually do it. How a standard library is doing it, probably in the background. Mutability and clone. It's only for him. Oh, clone from. Nope. Please slide that lifetime not allowed here. Oh, so I need lifetime. Now, it's gonna return much self. Block, for example, block, clone. I mean, that's just a ref. Gonna do this. Not gonna do clone. It's copyable. Smash types expect associated this. Smash types expect associated type this. Found this. Ref. Immutability. Ref. Okay, don't quite know what to do with this. Expect to type this, found reference, this reference. Wait, I need to deref it. Just can't move out. Clone. Sure. Yeah, it doesn't know. I don't even know how it works. Where ref clone T where for T, I don't know, is it gonna work? Okay, let's do T. This is not possible, huh? Okay, we need to change it to immutable. So we only implement clone for immutable. I could write a proc macro, but how are we gonna generate a default implementation? That's not easy. And what's this? Cannot be the reference. Oh my god. It can. No, can't it? 1 star. Yeah, star. An extra star. Well, actually, I should be able to just do literal FMT. Actually. Yes, I can. How can I create just proc macro derive default implementation? Rust custom derive. Custom derive clone. I don't know. Custom derive Razdux RS. That's not what I need though. I need to access default implementation of derive. Equals to Orco clone. No. I don't want to do that. We have to manually implement clone for it. I don't want to. Just default clone implementation. What happens if I use std mem something? Std mem copy. But it requires copy, transmute copy. That's not gonna work. Rust derive clone with custom trait bounds. So it was like a custom derive trait that has custom clone and copy and stuff. I could look it up if I went to backup. Workbook itself, cargo. Derivative, that's a trait. So this is derivative. Derivative. Alternative derives, yeah. Derive derivative, derivative debug, for example. Maybe I should try that. I don't know. I mean, this exists in Rust already. Default. I want clone. Oh, wait, there's no clone. Oh my god, come on, why? So I need this for enums. How can I create a default implementation? Access derive clone from proc macro. Well, actually, if I go to proc macro, into my proc macro library, I could try copying that, put it here. Utref clone copy. Utref. Yeah. No attributes. Now it's gonna take derive input. Then it's gonna do stt derive. Wait. We need standard derive macro. I need to somehow call Rust's built-in derive on it. Std clone. Std derive from proc macro. It can add other derives, but I mean, that's not what I need. Macro derive combined. What? Suboptimal workaround. This has combined attribute actual name. What is that? Oh, it expands. I mean, I need to access standard proc macros. Just access std proc macro methods. Doc rustlang.org. Wait, doc rustlang.org std. Derive macro std clone. Clone. I don't get it though. What I need. Wait, there's macro clone. The read clone of input of item. I'm gonna be surprised if it works. Of course it doesn't. There is literally macro clone. Here it is. Here's pub macro clone, literally. But it doesn't. I don't know. I can't just call it. Why? Core intrinsic derived clone copy. The reference. I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna fix it. Structures. Oh my god. What is this? Function tuple structure tuple variant from trait clone. If only I could actually like do built-in clone. Just custom clone. Drive inputs. Attribute generics data. Data being enum. Scene data enum. Say data. Also AST data. Else. No panic. So I have data. Let's do impl clone for time. What about copy? Copy for expression. Comment this out for now. Match self. This is gonna be say value self. Oh my god. It's gonna only accept single fields. I don't care. Value clone. That's what I need to generate. Now I'm gonna put it here and do something about it. So I need name here. Arms. Put here. Let name equals data name ident. Right. No field ident on data enum. Okay, what is what do you mean? Enum brace? Where is the ident? Oh, how is this possible? Enum, ident, generics, and then brace. Huh. Derive input has ident. What? Okay, sure. Okay, so name. Okay, so let arms be punctuated. Punct. Okay, punctuated. We're actually seen many. Is there many? Come on. Yes, so there's punctuated. I don't know where. To be honest. Celestine. Many. But there's punctuated. Huh. Interesting. So how's many done? Well, actually, it is punctuated. It is punctuated by commas, so fine. New. Wow, I can do new. Insane. Inner last. So is empty len first, last, etc. Get mute, iter mute. Can I add into pairs? Push. There is push value. Oh my god. So last. Push punct. Oh, push value, push punct. For branch in AST, or not AST data variants for variant. Oops. So I need one of them. What's variant? Fields, so it has the number of fields and the ident. Let name equals this. Let fields len. Can I do it std iter? How do I do an iterator that? Oh wait, arrange. 0 to this dot map I quote item hash I. Or actually I'm gonna format it. Item I. No, I'm gonna do arms push value quote I'm gonna copy this, I mean cut, doesn't matter. So I need name fields, call self name fields a but fields count So let's do let fields path equals punctuated. Let's actually import this. Oops, I can do it from iterator, probably making a custom clone implementation. Wow. And what is this? String unknown. Let's actually do punctuated new twice fields pattern and then fields cloned then for field for I in range. Hold on, that's not Python. For I in this I'm gonna do let field name this formatted fields path push value path push what punctuation sin the quote. I'm literally gonna be using this square things. Not make it immutable, make it mutable. So make arms mutable. Then I'm gonna do fields cloned to field name. So quote field name dot clone. Quotes are so useful. Then I'm gonna do arms push punctuation quote comma semicolon should be here. I think this should be it, but it's angry. Can I quote? Can I quote? Yes, I'm. I'm just. I just wanna be done at this point. Okay, now. Ref orco gene ref clone copy. Orco is just great. Right. Should be. Can I find this macro? Why? I'm importing it, right? Maybe it's not public. That's why. It is public. Oh wait, mute ref. It's not dynamic reference. Mute ref clone copy. Brook macro map is missing something. Oh my god, a lot of errors. Let's just panic with the quote. Panic with this. Now we should be able to spirit start and see the what it generates. No, it doesn't. Expected reference food. What? I'm literally panicking here in the macro, but instead of panicking, it gives me this. Static string. It's not lecturers. What stage is this on? Oh wait, I put it on the wrong thing. I put panic on the wrong thing, hold on. Here, I need to put panic. Panic. Now, what does it give me? Impl clone for expression, underscore imp. A function clone self. Match self. Block. Oh wait, that's a string. That's why. I need those to be not strings. In arms, those are strings. I don't know. Ident new. Scene ident. It's gonna take also. It's gonna take string, borrowed string. Interesting, and also a span. Which I'm gonna take from. It doesn't matter. Scene span. Span. Huh? Wait, it's not scene, it's proc. Macro span. Macro definition set call site. I just like actual call site. Actually doesn't matter. Okay, it's proc macro 2 span. Okay. Now what is it then? It has call site. Oh, fine. This is like a dummy span. Now, what does it generate? Seems like it works. C literal. Okay, let's do cargo run. See what happens. Not yet implemented in control flow. In front end. Line 12 here. Yeah, I need to do. Okay, let me. Previous clues. Preview. Oh my god, previous clues. So I need state. Meant. I'm gonna copy this. Ink. Expression. I mean this one. Put it here. Impl. Expression. This has block, return expression empty. Nah, that's not what we're gonna be doing. Fill my charms, integer. Oh my god, fill my charms are really off today. And this should be self. Literal. Oh my god, I don't need. Oh my god. I need integer literal. I'm gonna do struct integer literal. Now, more private. Let's make it public. Let's also make this public. I'm gonna do Oracle expression. literal or co-expression literal. Wow. Integer. I need to import this. Use literal, which is yes, underscore. It's gonna solve it, right? Not quite. That's it. Fix or impl. I mean, not easy. Expression literal integer literal for integer literal. Oh my god. Self zero value. What does it return? I64 s unders. I don't care. If it's not on site, I don't care even. Lit uint actually. Still not. It's still 64 only. But sure. Uint like that. Oh my god. Come on, uint. Just give it to me. Lit uint here, lit uint here. Now. Let's run it and see where it panics. Control flow to. Oh, it's the same place basically. We implemented expressions. Now let's do self expression as Orco, and since here I'm gonna do same thing, but oops. As Orco. I'm tired at this point. Now, where do you panic? Or oh, it worked! Keep going. Rendering is off. Oh my god. Return. Control flow. No, not here. Control flow here. Why do I have indent here? We probably copied from block. Oh my god. It worked. It parsed. It parsed our beautiful program. Finally. Yes, finally. Yeah. Missing docs. Hold on. I wanna finish this literal. Unsigned integer literal for signed use negation use just unsigned integer literal. Don't care. I'm good. Oh my god, I don't care. Here, missing documentation for a method. Yeah. Get the value. C integer literal. Okay. Cargo clippy. Wow. Let's go to can I cargo clippy like apply? Args I mean it's not gonna apply it like cargo clippy. Let's go edit it manually. librs line 29 symbols. I don't need any lifetimes here. Makes total sense, right? Yeah. Then we have librs for front and line 40. Same thing. Could use Alt O more often. Is it? Nope. Oh, empty readme. I'm gonna worry about it at some point. Run the tests. Oh my god, even librs. Uh, why? Check review value. Why is this a method? Oh, yeah, I know. Okay, now, all tests pass. Cargo clippy doesn't. Ignore this warning. Run. This works. Git add. Meet the sham. Okay, hold on. Why is this? Oh yeah, hallucinations. What? Git commit the sham basic expressions. Ooh, unlock bot crashed. Did it chat him? How long have? Yeah, how long have it been? I'm just used to sitting here. Is it Cobol? What? Wait, is it just C? Hi, Toby1364. Sorry for not noticing your messages for probably a lot. Oh wow. I wonder how long ago were those messages. I should have timestamps enabled. 617. Wow. 61736. Sorry. Bot crashed a long time ago. I guess. Yeah. By the way, new wallpaper again. See, now it works. But yeah. We finished the thing. Oh my god, sorry. I need to, I don't know, put something that I see it always. I could, but what's gonna die? I have a better idea. I mean, not sure if it's better or not. But if I'm not sure how good this is. Oh my god, I forgot that I can't launch Godot not from command line. I need to launch it from command. Oh, and oh my god, launched it as an overlay. Come on. Good. I'm gonna launch Godot from the command line. So let me just do this. I'm gonna open Chattery. What I want to do is to put some form of a frame on my screen so that I have no idea. It just crashes from time to time. So I can put in something, maybe, I don't know, red dot, something else. Me add child. Well, I would see if there was me, if I was there. Color rect, never diagnosed. Yes. I like color rect. Circle. Circle. Okay, that's not. I mean, I would like to get camera API so that I can put my camera so that I can see myself, first of all, and second of all, see when overlay crashes. I don't know when it crashed. It's never diagnosed, indeed. It has this, it has bone issues, but I mean. Can I do something? Define on crash. It does in terminal, but I just restart it normally. And the log files, I don't think there are any log files. I mean, maybe there are, but restarting probably clears them. I don't know. I am running from terminal. Problem is when it crashes, I just clear Godot 4, rerun it, and and that's it. I wish it crashed right now so I could diagnose. Oh my god. Should I give you my phone number so you can, you know, uh, I'm gonna, I'm gonna terminate so many streams with that, you know? But how's gold doing? How's your community change doing? Because I am planning to end right now. Because tomorrow we're gonna get crane lift. Let's go. See, 44.151. 44k and some. Now. Yay. Hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna stream and not miss it, and not miss it. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do a sneak peek of something. Probably no. I don't even have Discord open. If I had Discord open, you could like send me for do a phone call. Could close that. I guess we're gonna have to hope it crashes at some point. Maybe I should create an always persistent plushie. Huh? Like I had soft tuber. Should I keep my soft tuber actually? Yeah, I could just keep my soft tuber. To be honest. How weird would it look like? At least I would know that it crashed. Come on. I mean, oh my god, why is my light so bad? Wow. That's bad. I have a lamp here. I can take it off and put it away. Or I can try to point it at me. Oh wow. Ow. My sword. I mean, this thing. I can't even show it. This bar that you put on top of your monitor, and it shines light into your face. But I don't know how to make it light me properly. Like that, but that's a stretch also. It directly into my eyes. So if only I could like put it above me somehow. Oh, I forgot. Actually, I forgot about light. Hold on. This should be better. Camera. Wow, that's different. I actually got light. I just turned on the light. Even though it's fixed, but it's pretty good. Yeah, that's much better. Oh my god, the stream was messed up. Yeah, I just turned on the sun in my country. Like actually, it's just a lamp, a single lamp that heats up. I don't know how to say it in English. Not an LED lamp. And it just lights up this whole room. I don't know, I'm sitting here. Yeah. I'm sitting here in the dark. I didn't even notice this. Yeah, I don't like that I'm blend with the background a bit too much. Maybe I should get a black shirt. A black hoodie. I have well, not a black one. Like, I have a dark one, but it's colder. So I'll probably wear like I don't know. I'm not skilled enough in English to say this. Anyway, wow. What did I do in 2 hours? Good question. 52-year-old language is C, come on! Everyone asks me, what's this language? It's C. You should know this, because I'm writing a C parser. And also the stream title is from yesterday. So what we've done is, now, if I cargo run this parses the whole main function. If I, well, it's not the whole main function. If I go to a simple C, so we've got this function. Parameters are hard-coded. Return type is also basically hard-coded, because we don't have types yet. But we've got return 0, and I can change it to return 42. But it is used anyway. See, it's still used. That's a key. I mean, C is not used anymore. People use C. Well, I can't say that. C is actually used a lot. So yeah, as you can see, I changed to 42. It's now 42. So we've got actual interface for return expression and for the number. Because it's the first language I want to add to my compiler. And I'm rewriting the compiler, by the way, completely, because old version had owned IR. Because right now what I'm doing, I'm parsing C using parcel crate, the parcel, the one I linked. Docs.rs parcel, this one with derives and stuff. And then I'm implementing an interface. Yeah, I'm using Rust Lexer, but I'm using Rust's Lexer for C. That's kind of funny, but I don't know how to do it, what to do with it. So I'm parsing C, then I'm implementing a set of interfaces. It is called scene. Scene is, if you don't know what scene is, how can you, wait, that's not scene. How can you exist and have a job in Rust if you don't know what crate scene is? Scene is like one of the most popular crates. If you go to crates.io, scene, most don't know that scene, first place. Come on. Proc macro 2 isn't that popular, quote isn't that popular, libc is not that popular. Scene is a parser for Rust language, which is used in proc macros. Because when you derive something, it gives you, instead of a struct, instead of AST, it gives you just a token stream. And scene parses this token stream so you can tell what are you deriving onto and stuff. So scene is a full Rust parser implemented in the same style as parcel, and parcel just takes scene, it takes its token streams and stuff, and Lexer is actually not scene. Proc macro 2 is another scene actually just only parses stuff. Lexer is actually from proc macro 2, I think. Parcel uses proc macro 2, or proc macro, just proc macro, which I don't think it's here because oh no, proc macro is a library. I don't think that's the library it's using. So proc macro is a built-in to Rust, but proc macro 2 is the re-implementation of proc macro. We have the compilers proc macro crate. Yeah, here's this one, compilers one. So this is Rust parser, the Rust Lexer, and scene just a parser. It runs, its tests are running on over the Rust C, I think. So yeah, I'm parsing this into an AST, then implementing a set of interfaces over the AST. So this is all of this. Oops, all of this is a translation unit. So I have a struct unit, which is which is the base. Then it contains a list of functions, basically. Syntax. Syn comes from syntax. I guess. I assume that. See, unit has a list of functions, and then you have like trait, Orcos trait. Syn actually, like, all parcel does, if you take a look at docs.rs parcel, it has a lot of syn mentions. All it does is it implements syn parse. This thing is it's a trait that you use for like if you have a proc macro with custom parameters, like you have custom key value pairs, for example, you have in your attribute, and you need to parse that, you implement synparse for it, and you can parse it from Rust's token stream. And Parcels basically does it. See, I have unit trait, which is an interface, which you implement for an AST. You implement symbols, so it has symbols method. It returns a dynamic. That doesn't matter that it's what it is, but it returns basically it returns a list of symbols, and symbol is just a reference, which at this point only reference to an interface, which is a function to a trait, and function has name, it has body, which turns and mutable version of this method, which turns expression, which is also a reference, but it can be a reference to a block, it can be a reference to return, it can be literal, which is also a reference. So a block contains expressions, for example, return, you know, probably just a single expression. Literal can be an integer, which is also a reference to integer literal, which has a value method which returns whatever value your literal is. Oh my god. So yeah, we've got an interface. We've got enough of an interface right now to generate a main function that returns arbitrary values. How cool is that? So tomorrow we're gonna get crane lift, and we're gonna we're gonna get crane lift. We're gonna compile this main function that returns a random value, not really random, but just a value, and we're gonna finally get back to compilation. It didn't take long at all. But yeah, guess it's time to. How long? Oh no, I haven't clicked royalty free. Thanks that it's royalty free. I forgot to click this thing. Anyway, it's time to raid, I guess. It's time to end the stream. Streamed for more than 3 hours. No, I mean, I saw it. I guess no. How long? This track is 3 hours. How could I skip this much? Anyway, 2 hours, I guess. It's not much. It's not much for me, but I started pretty late, so maybe tomorrow I'm gonna start earlier. Hopefully, but yeah, 7 p.m. Wow, it's just 7 p.m. Anyway, we're gonna be raiding someone. Followers quick filter disappeared again. I guess because no one. I mean, channels I follow. I guess no one is streaming out of channels I follow, which is surprising. Anyone doing compiler development? Maybe. Maybe I'm lucky. No. This never happened. By the way, this guy, I actually follow this guy now, and he's streaming, or I don't know who this is. To be honest, yeah, I haven't seen his stream because he's streaming at my night exactly, starting too late. If I just be a bit later to bed, then I can catch the stream. Yeah, I haven't seen this channel stream with yesterday. Actually, no, I haven't seen this channel last live yesterday. I guess I just followed after they streamed. Anyway, no compiler developers. Let's see anyone in the same category. Maybe there are compiler developers, but not using proper tags. Python, Django, Unity, whatever. English. Whatever. Gaming. What is this? This is not programming. This is monkey type. TypeScript. Game dev. Learning data engineering. I don't feel like raiding anyone. Do you have any suggestions, Nigel? Working. I've tried something different. Can help. Whatever. Golang development. Who is this? IGUI. Something interesting. Right. Oh, I guess I don't have. What are you doing? Radar station. Come on. Okay, look. This guy have a voice. Look, Rust. Do I even have Rust text? Rust laying. What? No, none. None. There are no Rust stations to read. Rust. Just Rust. Gamers. Oh, actually, this person. That's friends, I guess. Games, because that's not the tag you use. You use Rust laying. And there's no. I don't know who this is, but that's definitely not Rust. So I guess I'm gonna read the Golang guy. Why not? He's doing something interesting. Same category, please. Data engineering. Where's this guy? Was doing something interesting. So many for instance. Here. I guess I'm gonna write them. Oh, TCAP. Might be okay. We're oh my god, we were parsing CISO. I guess this one, right? 86 views. Little game.
Any quadricrescentoid enjoyers?
What's happening here? Playing bad.
Oh shit. Hyper romanticism. I got it. Cheer. That's a dangerous one.
What languages are you?
Patriots.
Yes,
Hell, yeah,
JavaScript.
brother. Okay, go.
It's just not C, but I mean, just read them. They accept incoming rates. They do. He's playing a game in localhost under software and game development category. Okay, Golang guy, sure. Usually does C. He does JavaScript today, I guess. Okay, I don't know who you are, but I guess life says already. That's theme. That's pretty nice. I'm not saying light seems nice, but sure. Let's go, I guess. Not sure about that. I mean, it is. This looks like Zeke to me, a little bit. I mean, I could. Well, no, I couldn't. I don't have my money on the card. I have only cash. Anyway, 2 years. So yeah, I guess goodbye, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thank you, Nigel. What's up with my on my phone? The rate bar is like jumping left and right. Anyway, goodbye. Goodbye.
Getting things. I don't know. Who? What's your name? Oh, I got the raid. Hello. This was unexpected. Can I shout out? No. I am not prepared for it.